Hey guys, how are you doing? In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to install the Server 2019 in a virtual machine, and after that, I'll go through the installation of the domain controller on the same machine, and then on the third place, we will try to join a Windows 10 virtual machine with this domain controller, and on the fourth place, we will install a new file server and we will put a file server role on there and install the server resource manager. And in the last, we will see how to set up the access space enumeration on the file shares. And we will also discuss why access space enumeration is handy in some scenarios. So let's go to our lab. Okay, let me open my physical host. You have to select create and register virtual machine. Select the create from new virtual machine. Select create a new virtual machine from the top. Click on next. Name your virtual machine like server 2019. Now you have to select the OS family. I'll go and select the server 2016 because 16 is not 19 is not available in this version. And now I have to specify the storage where I want to keep this virtual machine. Now we need to specify the number of CPUs, RAM, and hard drive, like 30 GB is enough for my lab. Then I'll select the thin provisions. And now I have to select the ISO file. It's placed in my ISO repository, server 2019, this one. Click next. And now it's good to go. We also have to change our boot options for this virtual machines, like let me edit my machine setting and go to VM options, boot options, and I have to specify the boot, and I have to select the BIOS recommended so it can be boot. Now let's power on this virtual machine. Open up in console. I'll keep the same. Click on install button. If you want to install the core operating system, then you can select the standard edition, simple. I'll go for the desktop because I need the graphical user interface. Now you have to select the custom installation because we are going to install it from scratch. Here is an option where you can make the partitions. Now we have to wait for completion of this setup. Alright, the installation has been complete. Now we have to specify the password for built-in administrator. Click on finish, and that's it. Let's try with the login. Okay, and this was the first part of the video. In the second part, I'll show you how to install the domain controller on this virtual machine, server 2019, and we will configure the file server as well. Thanks for watching.